Alright guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today we are driving to our destination to do our valve cover gasket. It's right there. I got everything. Look at this bad boy right there. Look at that. Oh, that's so clean. But yeah, we're driving right now to go do our valve cover gasket. Shout out to one of my friends for letting me do it at his house because I couldn't do it at my house. Like, yeah, it's some community stuff. I don't know. They couldn't let me do it because supposedly mechanical like stuff. I don't know. I didn't like that, but my friend was nice enough for letting me do it at his house. He's gonna help me out too. And I mean, literally, we're gonna do this valve cover gasket. I got the valve cover gasket right here. I got the PCV upgraded PCV, so I'm gonna install that. Meanwhile, we're doing the valve cover gasket. I'm gonna be showing you guys the details of everything and then see how this video turns out. So let's do it. And we're getting there already. We already took all this off. We took the coils out. Gotta take the catch can out. Now literally just to take off the valve cover and just do the gasket. We're almost there, guys. Yeah, we're done. Now we gotta take the valve cover gasket off or the valve cover and we're done. Yeah, so we got all these bolts loose, and all we gotta do is just try to get the valve cover out. It's like really stuck in there. Look at that. God, but we got everything out. Look at that. Finally. Damn, so look, these were literally orange. These were like this, all burnt oil and everything. So let it clean that, and then over here I'm like cleaning all the oil gunk and like at least making sure it's good. Look at this. It was all ugly. I'm putting this purple power. I actually put it in work, you know, that power. But you know, we're literally done. We just gotta put the gasket on, clean it a little bit more, and then we're done. We'll put everything back together. Thank God. We finally finished. Man, turn it on. Alright guys, so we did the valve cover gasket yesterday. Today's a new day. You know, we did it yesterday within like, I want to say like 9 hours worth of working on the valve cover, because we had to take the valve cover off. We took the cover off, then we took the valve cover off. I cleaned everything. I'll put one of my Instagram stories up right now to show you guys how dirty it was and how I cleaned it, like how clean it is now. But you know, we had to take all this off. We literally took everything off. Good thing we didn't have to take that off. I was gonna take it off and do a walnut blast, like a DIY one. I don't know, something easy. But yeah, like we cleaned this. We did the valve cover gasket. But thank God to one of my friends that helped me out. He did a big help for me. You know, he gave me a big ass hand. He helped me out a lot. I was like worried I wasn't gonna finish it in the day. He came in clutch and helped me out, and then, you know, thank God for him. But you know, we did it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it wasn't like really detailing of how to take the valve cover gasket or how to clean it, everything. No, it was just something simple. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more DIY. See you guys in the next video. Peace out, guys.